Hey guys, welcome to All Star Toyota. This is Jake, and this is the 2019 Toyota Avalon Touring. Comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, and automatic high beam. Also has a little bit more sporty look than what most Avalons have, because it is top of line touring. Has enough room for you and your family. Also has heated seats in the back seat, and comes standard with automatic windows up and down. Has a nice black full top spoiler. Touring does have the dual exhaust with chrome tips, and it does come standard with Apple CarPlay. And of course, this one has the JBL sound with heated and ventilated seats. It does have dual climate control for both part air conditioning and heating. Has Apple CarPlay standards navigation. Siri available, so you can say, "Hey Siri, drive me home." It does come standard with all the safety features at the fingertips of your palm. Has a big multi-information display system with the lane departure alert, phone connections, tire pressures, with all those safety features, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. Does have JBL and does have a heads-up display at the top.